So we are going to continue on our AutoCAD course. So I'm going to talk about the options, and the options you will find them by typing OP on your keyboard, then press enter, or you can find them here at the application menu, where you can come here to options, this command, then you can we'll begin with the display. And at display we are going to so you can change the theme behind here to be light, but the dark theme is recommended so that to avoid straining your eyes, because you might be working on a project that can take a lot of time. So the dark theme is there to protect your eyes. And then we can go to here. Let's come here at layout elements. So as you see, create viewport in new layouts. So I would advise you to make sure it's ticked if you are not initially ticked, and I will show you why. So and then we can come here to crosshair size. The crosshair size you can change by just dragging or typing in a value here. And then we can go next to open and save. Then I'll go to here, file safety precautions, so automatic save, and you can change the minutes between saves. The importance of automatic save is in case that you're doing a drawing, and let's say you're doing your drawing on a desktop and there is a power runs out, then auto save will just save the drawing that you have done. But remember, you have to have initially saved it. So you can reduce or increase the number of minutes here, and the file open, you can just increase them, and the application menu, the number of recent files up here, you can reduce or increase the number. As you can see, they will accept values between 0 and 50. And then something else that I think that is it about open and save. We can go to plot. You can go to plot and publish. You can just change here the default output device. I will place at AutoCAD PDF general documentation, because for now I do not have a printer connected to my PC. But if you have a printer and it's showing, you can just select that option, and then plot to file. You can just choose here the location where the drawings that you will be doing will be saved. And then you can say, and then something else that I can talk about is, I think that's it in terms of plot. We can come here to system graphics performance, and you click that. Make sure that the hardware acceleration is on. Always make sure that the hardware acceleration is on. And then you can just click OK, and then I think that will be it. You can come next to user preferences, User preferences, you can change the scale here, insertion scale, but I'll just leave mine to be millimeters, just as they are. And then I'll just keep, you can here at drafting, you can just change the auto snap size, you can increase it or decrease it, but let's keep 3D for now. Let's go to selection. For selection, you can increase the size of pick box and also the size of the grip. You can also change the colors of the grips by just clicking this icon, but I will not change mine. I will allow them to remain as they are. And then the selection color, you can also change it down here. And I think that's it. And then I think that's it for the options for now. So, and then you can just click on apply and then OK. Then if you want these settings to be permanently, so that you don't have to keep changing them every time you are doing a new drawing, you can just save this drawing of yours as a template. And to save a drawing as a template, you just come here, then save as, come to save as, the application menu, then come to save as, then choose this, pick the drawing template, and then you can give it your name, and as you will see, it will end with a WT. That is to show that it's a drawing template. You can give it the any location you want, or just let it to be saved here, and then you just click save. Okay, let me see. Okay, drawing one. Let's say I say drawing. Let's say I save it as draw sample, and then I click save. And then description, you can give the description that you want. I'll just leave it to be like that, and then I will just click OK, and there our template will be saved. So that's it all about templates. And then if you want to change the units, you can just type UN on your keyboard, or the whole word units, then press enter, and then you can change where it's required decimal. Okay, the length type, I'll be using decimal, but you can change depending on the requirements of your drawings. You can also change the precision. Then the decimal, this is the angle. Mine, I want them to be in decimal degrees, and precision, I want it to be with no decimal place. Then my angle rotation will be anti-clockwise. That is, if I leave this clockwise checkbox unmarked. And then you can change here the units that you are using, but it's always preferred that you set the lowest limit, the lowest limits of the unit that you have picked. So I think I will click OK, because my units are fine. So I was talking about the angle. Let's pick a line. That is my 0, and then if I go upward, that's where my angle increases towards, and when I go down, that is my angles is still okay. My angle is, remember that, okay, although it's moving in that direction, that is 36, that is the negative angle, that is 360 minus that angle. So that is a 330 angle, as you can see here, as you can see down there on the polar 1025, there is a 330 angle there. Okay, so thank you guys for watching. See you next time.